Good morning, friends and co-residents of Barangay Ayala Alabang. Welcome to the 114th celebration of our Independence Day. In lieu of the usual message a barangay chairman gives during the celebration of our Independence Day, I would like to initiate the practice of reciting our patriotic oath or Panatang Makabayan after the raising of our flag. You will recall that as school children, we would recite this after singing the national anthem. The recitation of the patriotic oath or Panatang Makabayan is still being done in all public and private schools as mandated by Republic Act No. 1265 of 1955 and implemented through the Department of Education Order No. 8. The school children recite the Panatang Makabayan at least once a week. I believe that we, as their parents and elders, should also recite it, even only once a year on Independence Day, for all of us to remember both our cultural heritage and what it really means to be a Filipino. May I request everybody to please recite the Panatang Makabayan with me. Panatang Makabayan. Iniibig ko ang Pilipinas. Ito ang aking lupang sinilangan. Ito ang tahanan ng aking lahi. Ako'y kanyang kinukupkup at tinutulungan upang maging malakas, maligaya, at kapaki-pakinabang. Bilang ganti, diringgin ko ang payo ng aking mga magulang, susundin ko ang mga tuntunin ng ating pamahalaan. Tutuparin ko ang mga tungkulin ng isang mamamayang makabayan at masunurin sa batas. Paglilingkuran ko ang aking bayan nang walang pag-iimbot at ng buong katapatan. Sisikapin kong maging isang tunay na Pilipino sa isip, sa salita, at sa gawa.